Here's a short video. It's not a short. It is a Philips 800 lumens bulb. 2700K. My preferred color temperature. And I like these because I used to have one in this lamp. It's about as old as the lamp was. And it lasted, I used it for like 5 years, no issues. There was another one, but I got it out and used it after not using it for a long time. It's probably the one I mentioned. And I would take it out of the socket and it would still be lit up for a few seconds. So I EOL'd it and got rid of it. See if there's any banding on the camera. Ooh, the zoom's getting noisy again. It comes and goes. Not one of the people who could see flicker, but doesn't seem. Oh, you can see the line right there. But yeah, I like these. They're my favorite LED bulbs. I haven't bought any in a long time because I use incandescent now, but I should probably get some of these.